As businesses embark on their growth journeys, they often find themselves navigating a labyrinth of financial complexities that can be both overwhelming and confusing. For many small and medium sized enterprises, the need for professional financial expertise becomes glaringly apparent, yet hiring a full time chief financial officer may not be feasible or necessary. Enter the world of fractional controllers, a game changing solution that allows businesses to tap into high level financial management without the full time commitment. Today, I want to talk about the essential steps to hiring your very first fractional controller and how this decision can set your business up for unparalleled success. First things first, let's talk about assessing the need for a fractional controller. This is a crucial step that requires a bit of soul searching. Ask yourself, how complex are your financial operations? Are you finding it increasingly challenging to manage your financial tasks? If the answer is yes, it's a clear sign that you might need some extra support. Think about your growth trajectory too. If your business is expanding rapidly, or entering new markets, a fractional controller can provide the strategic financial guidance necessary to navigate these waters successfully. Regulatory compliance is another area where a fractional controller can be invaluable. Depending on your industry, staying compliant can feel like walking a tightrope. A fractional controller can help you ensure that your business adheres to all necessary regulations, saving you from potential penalties and legal headaches down the line. And let's not forget about financial analysis and reporting. If generating accurate financial reports feels like a Herculean task, it's time to call in the experts. A fractional controller can streamline this process and provide the insights you need to make informed decisions. Now, let's define the scope and responsibilities of your fractional controller. Clarity is key here. You want to ensure that both you and the controller are on the same page regarding expectations. Typically, a fractional controller will oversee your overall financial management activities, which includes financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow management. They'll work closely with your senior management team to develop financial strategies that align with your company's goals. And let's be real, having someone who can provide accurate and timely financial reporting is a game changer. This person will prepare essential financial statements and conduct analyses to identify trends and areas for improvement. Once you've defined the role, it's time to set a budget and allocate resources for hiring your fractional controller. This step requires a thoughtful approach. Take a good look at your current financial situation and determine how much you can allocate for this engagement. Remember, the cost will vary based on the controller's experience and the complexity of the work. It's also wise to consider the return on investment. How will hiring a fractional controller contribute to your business's growth and financial success? This analysis will help you justify the expense and allocate resources effectively. Next, let's talk about the qualifications and expertise you should look for in a fractional controller. Start with education. Ideally, you want someone with a strong background in accounting or finance, perhaps even certifications like CPA or CMA. Experience is another critical factor. Look for candidates who have worked in similar industries or businesses of comparable size. The depth of their experience will give you confidence in their ability to handle your specific financial challenges. Technical skills are essential as well. Ensure that the candidate is proficient in financial software and tools that are relevant to your business. Familiarity with accounting systems like QuickBooks or ERP systems can make a significant difference in streamlining your financial processes. Additionally, understanding regulatory compliance is crucial. You want someone who can navigate the complexities of financial regulations specific to your industry. Now, how do you go about researching and evaluating potential candidates? Start by creating a list of reputable sources for finding candidates. Professional networks, industry associations, and online platforms can be great resources. Once you've identified potential candidates, conduct a thorough review of their qualifications. Look for strong finance and accounting backgrounds, as well as evidence of their ability to drive financial improvements in previous roles. Testimonials or recommendations from past clients can provide valuable insights into their effectiveness. When it comes to conducting interviews, this is your chance to assess fit beyond just technical skills. Clearly define the role and its responsibilities during the interview. Ask candidates about their work style, values, and how they've thrived in previous environments. Communication skills are paramount. You want someone who can articulate complex financial concepts clearly. Present hypothetical scenarios to gauge their problem-solving abilities and critical thinking skills. And don't forget to ask for references to verify their claims and gather additional insights about their performance. Once you've found the right candidate, it's time to negotiate the engagement terms and contract. This is where clarity is crucial. Define the scope of work, the duration of the engagement, and the compensation structure. Discuss the expected hours and availability, and make sure to include confidentiality clauses to protect sensitive information. Establishing clear communication and reporting structures is also essential. Agree on how often you'll meet to discuss financial updates and what types of reports you'll receive. Onboarding your fractional controller is the next step, and it's all about integration. Provide them with the necessary resources and information to understand your company's goals and culture. Introduce them to key stakeholders and team members, and ensure they have access to the documentation and tools they need to perform their duties effectively. Establish clear expectations and responsibilities, and encourage open communication to foster collaboration. Monitoring and evaluating the performance of your fractional controller is crucial for ensuring that the engagement delivers the desired outcomes. Set key performance indicators from the beginning and conduct regular performance reviews. Gather feedback from key stakeholders to gain a holistic perspective on their contributions. Assess the impact of their work on your financial operations and overall business growth. This ongoing process will help you make necessary adjustments and ensure alignment with your organization's evolving needs. In conclusion, hiring a fractional controller can be a transformative decision for your business. By following these steps, you can navigate the process with confidence, ensuring that you find the right fit for your organization. Assessing your needs, defining the role, setting a budget, and thoroughly evaluating candidates will set you up for success. Once you've made the hire, effective onboarding, clear communication, and ongoing performance evaluations will ensure that your fractional controller becomes an invaluable asset to your team. Embrace this opportunity and watch your financial management soar to new heights.